So here's my normal Cobra Weave bracelet, and on the inside you can see where I've sealed everything up. And what I'm going to do, go down the other end, and I'm just going to poke my microcord fid through these last two bits here. Pull all that cord all the way through so you get a little tail at the end. Then I'm going to poke the fid through this shoulder here like that, and flip the bracelet over, turning the bracelet over like that, and I'm going to come up through this left shoulder, knuckle, whatever you want to call it. Goes up there, it goes down the second one. Oh, that's under the police. We put it down through there, and then we get the fid and we go up in between this loop here, pull all the cord through, and then we just pull it together, and that's the pattern. And then we go turn the bracelet over and then go up through the right shoulder, down through the left one, like that, fid through the loop, put it all through, and carry on down through the bracelet until you get to the end. So here's the pattern so far, looking pretty good. Now I found it on Instagram, but I don't know if this has got a name or anything. So if you know the name of this pattern, I know it's not herringbone, but if you know the name of this pattern, let me know in the comments and I'll put it in the title. I also forgot to say that I've used 7 feet of microcord to do this. I'm sure it's too much, but I'll let you know exactly how much I used at the end. But at the moment it's about 7 feet. And if you do like the video and if you've got value out of this, don't forget to leave a like and a comment and subscribe. Now let's get to the end of this pattern and I'll show you what I do. So here's the pattern, here's the very end, and all I did, you can see the pattern, goes round, goes down here, I came up through there, poked it down here, and the cord comes out the end there. All I'm going to do is snip and singe on that side. So yeah, I saw this pattern on Instagram and thought I would try and reverse engineer it, and it came out quite well. And if you'd like to learn how to do this kind of stitching, watch the video over there. Otherwise, I shall see you in the next one.